this is how to make this quad split screen effect like MrBeast in Premiere Pro. So first, make sure you have your videos positioned like this in the timeline. You now need to create these simple dividers. So select the pen tool in the toolbar and then create a long vertical line. And to make sure it's centered correctly, you can use the selection tool and then hold Ctrl while dragging to snap it to the center. And then click on this gray space to deselect everything. Now create another line that goes horizontally and center that line as well. Now align the playhead with the second video clip and then make a cut on the first video. Now select the second video and then reposition and scale it up so it fits within the left half of the screen. And to remove the leftover of the video, you need to go to Effects and search Crop. And then apply the effect to the second video clip. Now in effects controls, you can click on the crop effect and then you can use these blue handles to crop the video. Now the reason you made a cut on the first video is so that you can adjust the scale and position without affecting the first part of the video. Now align the playhead with the third video clip and then make a cut on the second video. Now adjust the scale and position of the third video so it's positioned on the bottom left of the screen. And then use the crop effect to remove all the leftover video that we don't need. And since we made a cut on video 2, we can once again reposition it and scale it up to our liking. Now align the playhead with the fourth video clip and then make a cut on the first video. Now position video 4 in the bottom right and then use the crop effect to remove all the leftovers. Also, don't forget to scale up and reposition video 1. And this is what we got so far. Now to make the dividers appear at the right point of the split screen, you want to align the vertical divider to the second video clip and the horizontal divider to the third video. And because we don't want the horizontal divider to appear at this moment, you can apply the crop effect to it and then in effects controls, set the right crop to 50%. And then to make it appear again, align it played with the fourth video, make a cut and then remove the crop effect from the layer. And this is the final result.